In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the 0x80070005 error if you're having problems with the Windows Store. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin first by opening up the Start menu just by left clicking on the Start button one time, and then you want to type in CMD. Best Man should come back with command prompt right above desktop app. You want to right click on it and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on Yes. Now that we're in this elevated command line window, I want you guys to type in the following command, and that will start with an regsvr32. So all one word here, so regsvr32 space quartz, so QUARTZ dot DLL. So again, regsvr32 space quartz, so QUARTZ dot DLL. And once you have it as it appears on my screen, you want to hit enter on your keyboard. It should say the DLL register service in quartz.dll has succeeded. Left click on OK. Would suggest restarting your computer, and hopefully your issue has been resolved. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.